The word action in the phrase action verb refers to the movement of the body or mind, while verb means some activity performed by the subject. So the action verb means a verb that shows the activity performed by the subject. The definition of an action verb is that it expresses action which can be either physical or mental. Look at the below given definition of action given by the Merriam-Webster. Merriam-Webster defines the action verb as a verb that expresses action. A verb that expresses action. To exemplify the definition, the dictionary then lists two action verbs, drive and think. The action verb drive refers to the movement of the body parts to get the car go, whereas think refers to the movement of our brain to ponder about different aspects of something.